Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So this is our reading for Libra. Ayan, take only what resonates, guys, kasi hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Well, alam niyo naman yon kasi hindi naman po talaga ito personal reading. Anyway, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader ha, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, so siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And then meron din silang page at group. Yan, i-like mo na lang yon or mag-join ka na lang doon sa group na yon. Kasi mamimili siya doon ng mga maswerteng mabibigyan ng personal reading sa kanyang birthday. October, yan. Sa kanyang birth month, mamimili siya ng 10 mula doon at 10 mula sa ating channels. Ayan, marami tayong channels. So, kung mapapansin niya yung comment mo, ayan, maaaring maswerte kang mabigyan. Maswerte kang mabigyan ng personal reading sa October. Okay, so mag-comment ka lang. Okay, mag-comment ka lang na mag-comment. Wait lang guys, ayusin ko lang yung camera. Okay, so I'm back. Kuha na tayo ng main energy ng Libra. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Okay. The world is here. The Tower. The Ten of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius at the bottom of the deck. I can see a message. Dalawa yung message na nakukuha kung possible na ma-receive mo eh. One of the message is a good message, no? Dahil possible yung growth. I can see money, yan, success, kind of message, ayan. Pwedeng message about money, about career, about maybe pagta-travel with the world. And nakakita tayo dito ng ending with the Tower, which is, with the Tower, it's like an ending na parang, kailangan mong mag-adjust or magsimula ulit. So yeah, yung iba sa inyo, this could be a message regarding pag-alis or pag-travel, you know. Especially the Page of Swords is here. This is like a traveler, especially a traveler by plane. Ayan, aeroplano, gamit ang aeroplano. So, I can see success, yeah, for you. Tapos yung isang message is not so good kasi it's about money problems ng maybe someone na kilala mo or nakaaway mo in the past. So maybe a family member, a friend, or I don't know, there's this pag-aaway sa inyo in the past. Tapos nakikita natin yung problema regarding sa pera dito. So malamang na sila yung nagkakaroon ng problema and then pwedeng humingi sila ng tulong sa'yo. But anyway, let's move on to your reading. Kuha pa tayo ng messages for Libra. For Libra, please, ano po yung mga messages for Libra? For Libra. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay. The Wheel of Fortune. The Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I can see big change sa'yo. Maybe a new beginning for you. The Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, nakakakita tayo ng kontrata dito. Contract. Pag-uusap. And I can see possible with the Two of Wands, maybe pag-uusap regarding mga plano. And yun nga, regarding pagta-travel. And with the Hierophant, I can see peacefulness sa'yo. Like, you're stressed maybe in the past, pero this time around naisip mo na parang gusto mong ibalik kung ano man itong mga bagay na itinulong sa'yo. Okay? For some of you, ganun eh. But anyway, kung ano man itong big change na to, I feel like it's for the better. It's for the better. Kuha tayo ng messages regarding love. Messages for love. Spirit guides, angel guides for Libra. Ano yung mga messages patungkol sa love for Libra? Messages pagdating sa love for Libra. Okay, thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides. Queen of Pentacles is here. The Two of Swords. Okay. Alam mo, so far, napakaganda ng mga cards na lumalabas sa'yo. No? Napakaganda. Except for the people na parang alam mo yon, yung parang kaya naman sila kasi nagiging ganon, sila din yung nagiging problema. Kumbaga, hindi mo kasalanan kung ano man yung mga nagiging problema nila. Kaya sila nagkakaproblema kasi kasalanan nila, you know. And so far kasi sa'yo, all good naman. Kung may change, it's for the better. And then we do have here the Page of Cups. I can see an offer coming from this love, no? Love energy. So the Queen of Pentacles may be someone who is well respected, or a person na stable, maybe with money. With the Two of Swords, meron siya mga desisyon. And I feel like itong person na to is going to offer you something or give you something na parang ikatutuwa mo. Okay, I can sense a lot of laughter and kilig. Yan, actually bagay or may chemistry talaga sa inyo nitong person na ito. Parang maybe both of you is nailagay na sa isang third party situation, so maybe that's why nag-click, ganun. So, parang alam niyo na kasi yung feelings ng iniwan, ng pinabayaan, ng ganun. So, dahil alam niyo na yung ganung feelings, nagkakasundo kayo nitong person na ito. Parang alam niyo na yung mga dapat gawin, hindi dapat gawin. May, sa connection ninyo, hindi pa masyadong mature. But I can see pagdating sa finances, career, and responsibilities ninyo as a person, nandun yung maturity ninyo. Mature ka na mag-isip pagdating sa bagay na yun. Mature din siya mag-isip, parang ganun. So, maganda naman yung sinasabi dito. So, what will happen in the future? For you, Libra, you do have here the Five of Wands, the Six of Swords, Page of Wands. This is not for everyone. I am, regarding sa love, patungkol ito sa love na medyo hindi pa ganun ka-mature yung love. Well, alam mo naman yon. Or maybe the person you're dealing with, alam mo naman yon kung medyo mature na ba siya or hindi pa masyado. And then yung connection mismo, maybe hindi pa naman ganun naging kasing katagal, or hindi pa naman ganun kalaki yung pinagsamahan or pagsasama ninyo. So, with regards to this, nakakita tayo ng problema, pag-aaway, and possible na mag-lead into moving on stage sa'yo and your person. Kasi parang hindi masyadong nagwa-work out yung sa inyo. And yung iba kasi pwedeng, di ba, ang bilis. Kasi kanina parang ang ganda ng message, nakakakilig, may ibibigay, may sasabihin. Tapos after that, biglang hindi na maganda, may pag-aaway na. Kasi pagdating sa connection, hindi po yon masyadong mature. Okay? Maybe may kilig nga tayo. Tapos, ang aim kasi talaga in the future is yung makuha mo yung mga goals mo, pangarap mo. Parang ito kasi yung una mo eh. Ito yung priority mo. Hindi naman siya eh. And then yung person mo, same din. Pwedeng, ang focus niya kasi pangarap niya, hindi pa naman ikaw, hindi pa naman yung connection ninyo, and so on and so forth. So, nakikita natin dito na parang, I'm willing to give up or end this connection kesa isaalang-alang ko yung aking career para sa'yo. So, pwedeng maging problem yung long distance connection sa inyo ng taong ito. So, I can see long distance connection. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.